When I say leverage, that means use that experience that you already have to get more ground into cloud. And I'll give you a specific example. If you are an IT professional and you have looked at audit logs, right? What you could do then is learn AWS CloudTrail, which is audit logs. Learn that, and you'll, because you already know how to look at audit logs, CloudTrail is just audit logs in the cloud. Use your current experience as leverage to get a better foothold on that platform. But that means you have to learn that platform, because if you don't know that CloudTrail is audit logs, then you wouldn't know to use that language. So that's why you have to learn the basics of cloud, and then use your experience